Soumya from Dr. Upas channel. Today I'm going to say some of a few healthy tips in this busy era. In this busy era, we will forget many things, small minute things which will help us to lead a healthy lifestyle. So when we will be concentrating on our health, whenever we are having a problem or when we come to know that we are suffering from so and so disorder, that time we will be worried and we will be running to many doctors and we will be asking them to advise us how we can carry our life in a healthier way. So today I am here to help you all to carry the healthy lifestyle in this busy schedule by concentrating a few seconds that life modification rules and regulations. So here I am discussing the first rule that each and everyone we like to drink good amount of water to dehydrate. Sorry, whenever we have suffering from the dehydration, to hydrate our body, only during that time we will be concentrating to drink water. But we natural doctor, we will be considering water one of the basic medicine, and it's really important for our body to all physiological work, not only for the digestion absorption as well as to eliminate the metabolic end product what food we are consumed. And this, like regularly when we are taking a glass of water, that too the technique how you are drinking the water, even that will play a very major role. When we start drinking a water sip by sip, that will help to lubricate our GI tract and that will help to control all your metabolic end product, that will help to eliminate smoothly from our body without creating any kind of gastric irritation. So please, this is my advice for each and everyone, that every 2 hours once try to drink one glass of water or else 250 ml of water sip by sip. So drinking water, it's really helpful to eliminate the toxins from our body. This is the first rule, and when come to our next rule, how we are going to eat our food. So when we start eating our food in a proper way, that time the digestion process is really going in a smooth way. What's the proper way? The proper way is you have to chew the food correctly. We naturopath, we follow the slogan by saying that the solid has to be drunk, the liquid has to be chewed. That means that whatever food we have taken, the solid food, we have to chew correctly. When we chew correctly, in our brain we are having a satiative center. That center is having a two things. One is the hunger center, another one is satiative center. Satiative means that will trigger you to stop having the food, and that will make us to feel we are satisfied by eating the food. Then only we will be stopping having the food. We will even say that yeah, my tummy is full, right now I'm going to stop my meal. All those things we say, no, all this thing will be influenced by our satiety center. So satiety center, so what it will do? It will work on number of chew, how much you have chewed. Depending upon that only the food quantity will be decided. Our satiety center will never ask to eat a bigger quantity of meal. Only that will say for this hour or for this food time, lunch time, whatever it is, that will ask to go for a set of rounds. What means mastication rounds. So that's the reason we naturopaths, we say the food, the solid food when you consume, you have to chew correctly. Whenever you chew correctly, the mastication rounds will be more. So automatically the extra food, the extra calorie what you have before used to take before when you are not chewing, that will be reduced, and the extra calorie whatever you are used to consume, that will be limited. So kindly concentrate on the food whatever you are eating. Try to chew properly. The same way enjoy the flavors, because the flavor, the major thing that will help to reduce the stress. And when you are whenever we have reduced our stress, then automatically we will be in a happier mode and we can have a healthy life, and we will be overcoming all such kind of non-communicable diseases, that is obesity, PCOS, gastritis. All these things will be overcome by adapting these two rules in our life. This is the information from our channel. Thank you. Please subscribe and help us